Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, we have to resolve one particular error, that is module not found error, no module name, SQLAlchemy. I'm trying to run that particular project and got that error. So let's open terminal here and run that project. So just write Python space start project .py, then enter. So I'm facing that error, no module name, SQLAlchemy. Okay, first we have to check that Python is installed in that system or not. So just click on Windows key and write edit the system environment variable. Then click on the environment variable, double click on the path. So see, Python 3.8 is already installed in that laptop. So for that verification, we have to just copy that location of 3.8, paste there, then enter. So see, Python 3.8 is already installed in that laptop and the script folder also added. Okay, so let's go back. Now we have to install that particular library. So just write pip install SQLAlchemy, SQLAlchemy, then enter. So it will install that particular library, typing extension, green light, and install collected packages successfully installed. So if you want to check the version, so just write pip show SQLAlchemy, then enter. So you can check the library name and the version 2.0.46. This will be the complete solution of that particular problem. This is the error and this will be the solution of that particular problem. And let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. And if you're searching at project ideas in computer science domain, then I will share the one project list with you. Like we are working on multiple domains like Python, Java, Android, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, OpenCV, Django, React.js, and many more. Okay, this is a WhatsApp number. If you have any doubt, then you can contact us directly. Those are the projects topic. If you click on any of the project, then it will open the YouTube video. Those are the description about project, and this will be the YouTube video of particular project. Okay, you have to upload any input image, and it will identify that particular Alzheimer's disease. So those are the software and hardware requirement. Contact us for more queries and check out related projects in different domain. So if you click on the Java projects, then it will open the list. All those are Java projects. Let's go back. You want to check the cybersecurity, so just click on it. It will give the complete list about cybersecurity projects. If you're facing any error in your project, then just let me know in the comment section. We'll try to resolve it, or you can directly contact us on WhatsApp number. So let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. And thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.